I used to read from ebooks and had only 2 or 3 physical books up until the last year. From this year onwards, I decided to invest in physical books. Here are my top 3 reasons to read from physical books instead of ebooks. First is reduced screen time. I noticed that I was spending a lot of time staring at screens throughout the day. I found that switching to physical books allowed me to reduce my overall screen time and give my eyes a break from digital devices. Second is physical connection to reading material. While I appreciate the convenience and portability of ebooks, I enjoy the feel and the smell of new books and the act of turning physical pages rather than swiping a screen. Using the physical books has allowed me to rekindle my love for reading as a physical, tactile experience. Third is reduced distraction and increased focus. While reading on a device, I found that I was more easily distracted by notifications or other digital interruptions. Switching to physical books has helped me to focus fully on the reading experience without the constant pull of other digital distractions. I also appreciate the lack of blue light emitted by physical books, which can interfere with sleep and overall health.